Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best origami books is probably one of the most rewarding creative hobbies you can pick up, offering a calming escape from the daily grind and a chance to create beautiful, intricate works of art. But with so many books available, choosing the right one for beginners can feel overwhelming. That's why I've compiled this guide to help you find the perfect book to kickstart your origami journey, covering everything from simple folds to more complex projects, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable learning experience. Number 5. Hapray Origami Kit. Introduce your child to the fascinating world of origami with this complete kit. It's perfect for sparking imagination and developing fine motor skills. This set includes 152 high-quality papers in 72 unique designs. The double-sided papers are the perfect size for little hands and ensure hours of creative fun. The durable, smooth paper makes folding easy and enjoyable, even for beginners. It holds creases well, resulting in beautiful, crisp origami creations. A comprehensive 96-page instruction book guides you through basic techniques and various projects. It's perfect for all skill levels, from beginner to more advanced folders. This kit is a fantastic way to spend quality time as a family. It's not only fun and engaging but also helps develop essential skills. It makes a wonderful gift for children aged 5 to 12. It's a perfect way to encourage creativity and provide hours of entertainment. What we like? It has a wide variety of vibrant patterns and a comprehensive instruction book. If you are looking for a fun and educational activity for your kids, this is the perfect choice. The numerous patterns and easy-to-follow instructions make it ideal for beginners and young learners. What people say? Great thick paper, easy for kids. Paper was decent quality with nice color. Good, small gift that requires some thinking, following instructions, dealing with a little frustration, pride when figuring out. The paper quality is excellent, and there are so many figures to create, which keeps him engaged for hours. The instruction book is great, with clear images of the creations and detailed step-by-step guidance. Number 4. Easy Origami Papercraft. Unleash your creativity with Easy Origami Papercraft. It's the perfect way to explore the art of paper folding. This book provides step-by-step instructions for over 30 easy origami projects. You'll be amazed at what you can create. Each project features clear, concise instructions and diagrams, making it simple for beginners to follow along. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some origami experience, it offers a fun and rewarding experience. Get ready for hours of creative fun and relaxation with this fantastic origami book. It's a great way to unwind and express yourself. You can trust in the quality and design of this Dover Origami Papercraft book. It's a great addition to any crafter's library. What we like? It focuses on simplicity and ease of use. If you are a beginner and want to start with simple projects, this is a great option. The clear instructions and straightforward designs make it perfect for those new to origami. What people say? Great for kids and all ages to learn simple origami. The instructions are arrows and dotted and dashed lines, and single words or short phrases. The diagrams are very easy to follow and include text when necessary to clarify what you are supposed to do. We haven't gotten frustrated or lost at all, and have been able to create a lot of great-looking finished pieces. Number 3. Origami Kit. It's time to explore the art of paper folding. This kit has everything you need to get started, from colorful paper to easy-to-follow instructions. You'll receive a comprehensive origami book filled with 38 fun projects. Plus, 162 sheets of origami paper in a variety of colors are included for your creations. Whether you're a seasoned origami artist or a curious beginner, it offers hours of creative fun. It's perfect for kids and adults alike. The book provides clear, step-by-step instructions for each project, making it easy for anyone to learn and create beautiful origami pieces. With so many projects and colorful papers, you'll have endless possibilities to explore your creativity and make unique origami creations. Get ready for hours of fun. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves arts and crafts. Unfold your imagination and start creating today. What we like? This kit offers a large number of projects and papers. If you want a complete package with various projects and plenty of paper, this is the one for you. The variety ensures you won't get bored quickly. What people say? Quality, thick paper, variety of colors and patterns, convenient and sturdy storage box, instructions on how to fold and create are included. Starts off W simple origami characters and progressively gets more advanced. This makes a great gift for budding origami lovers. This little package of origami papers and a starter book was a great gift I bought for my daughter and I to use. It came with a variety of colors and patterns for the paper and the book array of different things to fold. Number 2. Amazing Origami Kit. This kit has everything you need to explore the art of origami. Let's get started. It includes 144 beautifully colored origami papers. They're perfect for all your folding projects. The included book provides step-by-step instructions for 17 unique origami projects. It's easy to follow, even for beginners. Each project is clearly explained, making it simple to create stunning origami figures. You'll be amazed at what you can make. It's a fantastic way to relax and express your creativity. Enjoy hours of fun and satisfaction. This kit makes a thoughtful gift for anyone interested in arts and crafts. It's perfect for all ages and skill levels. What we like? It offers a good balance of papers and projects with a focus on traditional Japanese designs. If you appreciate traditional origami and want a solid selection of projects, this kit is a great choice. The traditional designs add a unique cultural element to the experience. What people say. The paper is a knockout selection of double-sided, intensely colored and detailed traditional style designs with contrasting backings. The inks range from flat to gloss to metallic and all papers have a very smooth waxy semi-gloss finish. The completed pieces were quite pretty, especially if you buy the lovely origami paper. The product is extremely well worth the money. The papers are very good quality with beautiful prints on them. The instruction book is well written with fairly easy to read, concise descriptions of how to build origami pieces. The box is well constructed out of cardboard and will hold on to the contents for a time, not to leave you with a mound of paper and book and no box. Number 1. Origami Kit for Beginners. This kit has everything you need to start your origami journey. It's perfect for both kids and adults. Learn to fold 20 classic origami models with easy-to-follow instructions. You'll be amazed at what you can create. The comprehensive book guides you through each step of the folding process, with clear diagrams and explanations. It comes with 72 high-quality origami papers in various colors, giving you plenty of options to explore your creativity. Watch the instructional videos for visual guidance and learn the techniques faster and easier. It's a great way to relax, learn a new skill, and have fun, regardless of your age or experience level. What we like? It includes instructional videos in addition to the book. If you prefer visual learning and want to master classic origami models, this kit is perfect for you. The videos provide a helpful supplement to the written instructions. What people say. The box and papers were beautiful, and the book was comprehensive and ordered by level of difficulty. This product not only includes a very well thought out series of drawings to help you on your way, but it also tells the marvelous story of origami and paper, as well as the symbolism of the different figures. A link is included that leads you to videos showing how to fold the paper, in case you have trouble getting something quite right. The videos are excellent. The book contains instructions quite easy to understand and follow. The high-quality, double-sided paper is beautiful and a great choice for these projects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.